Hi dear teachers and my dear students, welcome back to another video of third language English. I hope you are doing well, and in today's video I am going to give a detailed picture of the model question paper given by the Karnataka board. Today evening the board has published model question paper for 8th class, and in this video I am going to give a clear picture and detailed analysis of that question paper, and this video is very helpful to you for your preparation and for your forthcoming exam. So let's start the video. So see, the question paper completely, when we go through the analysis, the question paper has 31 questions, and here the question numbers goes like this. In this question paper, MCQ questions are there and the number of questions are 16, and 1 mark questions 4 questions, 2 mark question 6, 3 mark questions 3, 4 mark 1 question, and 5 mark 1 question. So here the question paper has multiple choice questions, very short answers, long answers, and each type of questions are there. So here it carries total 50 marks and 31 questions to you. So when we come to the marks distribution, here 16 marks is allotted for multiple choice question, and 4 marks are allotted for 1 mark, 12 marks allotted for 2 mark questions, 9 mark is allotted for 3 mark question, and 4 mark is allotted for 4 mark question, and there is one long question and that is allotted for 5 mark. So total this question paper carries you 50 marks. So how they are designed this question paper, it's really a very wonderful question paper, and here they have different parts and they allotted the marks according to the part. So what is the first part in the question paper? That is vocabulary, and it carries 6 marks in MCQ section. So what elements they covered in vocabulary? The first one is compound words. So here the first element of the vocabulary is compound words, and the second one is opposite words. So here the antonyms means the opposite words, and the third element is spellings. We have to identify the correct spelling and see, and the fourth one is given word, and the fifth one rhyming words, and the sixth one is synonyms. So once again see here, in the vocabulary part it carries 6 marks to you, and here compound words are there, opposite words are there, spellings, given word, rhyming words, and synonyms. But apart from this, we have some additional vocabulary items in our textbook. Those are, we have to prepare prefixes, homophones, odd man out, and suffixes, because sometimes they can change one item and they can pick any other item from the textbook. So because of that, these are the additional vocabulary items given in our 8th standard third language English. So it carries 6 marks to us. So what is the second part of our question paper? That is very crucial part, grammar part is there, and it carries 10 marks to the students. So here when we come to the grammar part, what are the main elements of the grammar? The first one is parts of speech. Here the question goes like this: they will give one sentence and they will identify the part of speech of any one word or the underlined word. And the second element is noun and its types. Especially they focused on collective noun, and see we can go for any other types also. So here noun and its types. And the third element is framing questions or WH questions. So here they will give one sentence and they will ask to frame a questions. So we have to focus on WH words. And another element is numbers, singular and plural. So here they are going to ask the singular and plural and change the singular to plural, plural to singular. And another element is degrees of comparison. So here they are going to ask degrees of comparison with the help of the picture, otherwise they directly ask the question. So another part, that is auxiliary. So here they are going to ask fill in the blanks with the help of the auxiliaries. And the next one is rearrangement of words. So here they are given a scramble words and we are going to frame one sentence according to the meaning of that sentence. So the next one is preposition. It is very essential part of the grammar and they are going to ask any one prepositions here. And when we come to the next one, it's related to gender. So they are going to ask the gender. So here they will give one sentence and they can ask the change the gender. Otherwise they will give the direct words and they ask the genders. So the next one important aspect is verb forms. According to the tense, they are going to ask the verb form. So here I mentioned all the elements of the question paper in the grammar section. The first one is parts of speech, noun and its types, framing questions, numbers, degrees of comparison, auxiliaries, rearrangement of words, prepositions, gender and verb forms. So additional items are there. When we go through the books, we can have these additional items. What are those additional items? Tenses, modals, voices, active voice and passive voice, reported speech sometime, direct and indirect. So we have to prepare these additional items because apart from any one item, they can pick the voices and it is very essential. Otherwise they can pick the modals and otherwise they can pick the tenses based questions. So let's know the crucial part in the question paper is, that is reading comprehension. So we can call it as a reading part and it carries nearly 40% of our marks, that is 20 marks are allotted for reading section. So here it is main part of our question paper in our preparation. So we have to give more focus on this area. So let's come, what are the elements of the reading? So here first of all in the question paper they given some pictures and these are called as reading pictures. So what actually they are going to ask? They will give the picture and they will ask 1 mark or 2 mark questions and it carries 6 marks. So here the students must read that picture, they comprehend the picture and they are going to answer the questions. And what about the second one? These are reading passages. Luckily we got here all the passages from our textbook. They are not unseen, but in exam, in original exam, they can ask the unseen passages also. So total 8 marks are allotted for reading passages. And see, they are introducing one new type of question here. They are going to give one poem and they are going to ask the comprehension of that poem. So it carries 2 marks to you. So once again, reading picture, reading passages, reading poem. So reading advertisement. So see, they will give one pamphlet or they will give one any advertisement piece material. So they are going to ask 2 marks. And one more element is there, that is reading news clipping and it carries 2 marks to us. Total 20 marks allotted for reading section and it is greatly what we call that understanding or comprehending. So here the next part is writing and it is also carries nearly 14 marks to us. So here this is totally based on the skill of writing. Here the student is very creative and he is going to write the writing pieces. So what they are going to ask? The first one is paragraph writing. They will allot us to write any paragraph, otherwise they will give an essay, otherwise they will give one picture and ask to write the paragraph. So like that the students are going to write here paragraph. And story development. So here they will give the clues and the students are going to develop a story. And finally, the as usual question is there, that is letter writing. They are going to give us official letter or personal letter, and we are going to write the letter. So all these things are the part of our model question paper, and we have to work on these elements. So if you are watching our channel at the first time, please subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please share our video with your friends, with your students, and if our effort is appreciable, you can comment in the comment section. So let's come how the marks distribution goes. So here MCQ 25.4 percentage, 1 mark question 6.3 percentage, 2 mark question 31.7 percentage, 3 mark question 22.2 percentage, 4 mark question 6.3 percentage, 5 mark question 7.9 percentage. So here the bigger area is MCQ and 3 mark and 2 mark. So we have to focus on 2 mark questions, those are related to reading section. 3 mark questions, those are related to writing section. MCQ, those are related to vocabulary and grammar. And see topic wise percentage. So here in our question paper, vocabulary its percentage only 12%, grammar 20%, reading 40%, and writing 28%. So here once again I am focusing on reading is very crucial part in our question paper. So give the students a practice of comprehending, understanding the different materials of reading, and how to identify the gist of the material, gist of the passage, gist of the poem. So like that we can give some worksheet. In our forthcoming videos, we are preparing the students with the help of the worksheets and with the help of the model question papers prepared by our team. So if our work is very valuable, please like our work, comment in comment section, share and subscribe. So here I am Mehboob Multani, teacher of English, Government Urdu High School. I will brought some new videos in forthcoming days, so I need your support. So if you want to share the video, please share and subscribe. Till now, take care. Bye bye.